Hello, and welcome to another episode of
Dad Got Box.
It's another unboxing. I got a couple of little items here that I want to go over with you guys. So let's get right into it. The first one, she's just a little guy. All right, what do we have here? You guys know Dad has a mug problem, right? Dad also has a Star Wars problem. Dad has a Star Wars mug problem. But when I saw this, even the wife approved. We have a Life Day Star Wars orb mug. Pretty terrible handle. It's a 3-finger on the Dad and Drew scale. Weird and awkward to hold, but it does say, nicely embossed on it, Life Day on one side, and then on the other side, in Arabesh, Life Day. It holds a lot of coffee, it looks like. I mean, that's a massive mug. And it's the orb from the Star Wars Holiday Special. Even Mark Hamill recently tweeted that he believes the Star Wars Holiday Special is underappreciated. I believe that too. And the way to watch it is to watch the Dad and Drew Show version of it. Drew and I watched the entire thing with overlaid commentary, and you can enjoy it. And we make it a little bit more enjoyable, I believe. I'll throw the link in the description. So I got myself a Life Day mug. These were 20 bucks. And then there's this big sucker. Ooh. I'm really excited about this one. It's a box in a box. Oh boy. Musical figurine Ewok Christmas tree. Yeah. All right. I always have a hard time, because I do not want to mess up the box. Let's do it. Oh yeah. This is amazing. Oh my Lord. I don't know what to say. I love it. Oh, and it plays music. Oh, there's a little button right here that says on off. Goes for a long time. Oh my God, that's awesome. All right, we need to go over some of the details that I am seeing in here. Right off the bat, you got Wicket on the top with a Stormtrooper helmet. R2 hiding in the snow with a C-3PO plush. We've got TIE Fighter and X-Wing ornaments. And AT-ST Walker with a baby Ewok. This thing, out of the park. There's even a Death Star on there. I absolutely love it. This is now the highlight of my Christmas decor. So this Christmas, I will be listening to some epic Ewok music, drinking my coffee from my Life Day Star Wars mug, and just jamming out to this. That's it. That's Dad Got Box. It's a short one today, guys. Hold on. That's it. That's Dad Got Box. If you guys are not already subscribed, a subscription would be festive. That's gonna do it. Dad may unbox his new favorite Christmas stuff and an awesome coffee mug. But one thing Dad doesn't do is an outro. So that's it. Bye.